Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to our channel Online Canopy. Today we have come up with a video to create your own business logo in very less time using the free resource from website canva.com. So here is my Chrome browser open. I'm going to type www.canva.com/login because it is already used by me, so it's saved here. I'm going to You need to sign up for it. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. One of the Google account I'm going to choose here. It's ala test. It's my test account. I'm going to choose it and I'm going to give the password of it and I'm log into canva.com. This is a cool website which lets you create lots of resources. You need to tell this Canva for what purpose are you going to use this. So they give you the designs and templates customized as per your category. Okay, so you can choose business, teacher, student, personal, whatever you like. Okay, so I'm going to choose small business. Alright, they are offering free trial for pro version with more features for 30 days, but we are not going to go there. We will choose maybe later. Then we are going to skip all these things to invite your team. If you are in a business and you want your team members to be on the same Canva and work together, you can always type their email IDs here and send free invites so that they can join you. We are not going to do that. Let's skip it. Now we are going to start with our design. As you know, we are going to design a logo today. There are many more things that you can do with Canva. You can design posters, flyers, YouTube videos. You can design Instagram post, Facebook post, so many things. But for now we are going to go for logo. Okay, so just click on the logo category. Okay, here we are in the area where we are going to design our logo. So they have already built-in templates here. When you click on the templates tab, it will open this template pane and you see many templates are here. If you want to choose from a business category, it will make it more easy for you to choose a template and edit it. Okay, so maybe probably art or fashion or whatever you would like to make a logo for, you can go for it. Maybe band logo. Okay, I want to go for something like this. So when I click on it, you will see the thing exactly coming up here, which you can always edit. Pages of prose. Let's say I'm going to make my name Allah. Okay, and here I'm going to edit it. I will write online canopy. Okay, online canopy. That's it. Then I can choose the styles for it. I can go up, select my font, okay, or highlight the box, whatever you want. Font box, just highlight it, and you can choose the way you like to have your font. Okay, uppercase, lowercase. Then you can have colors for the font, which color you would like to use. Instead of black, you would like anything else, of course you can go for it. You can make all your editing and you can choose the font face. Whichever font face is good for you, you can just go around and check out. Okay, maybe I would choose this. Alright, and you can increase the font size. Maybe 56. Okay, depending on this. And same thing I'll do for online canopy. I'm going to make this color different, probably red, yellow. No, yellow won't come out well, so maybe red. 3 colors. Okay, yeah. Now this is your image. This image is something. Then insert one more photo if you want from the given photo. You can insert elements here, various elements. These are like yeah, emojis or stickers, whatever you call them. You can insert any of these things here. Okay, I don't want it, undo it. So you can have all these things using to make your logo, inshallah. Okay, probably I'm making an ice cream shop or a donut shop. If suppose I can have this here. Alright, So it all depends on you how you want to put it up. You can have graphs, charts, everything. You can have text also in a style. Suppose you want this one, okay, this style, second style. You don't want the normal one which was given to him. This one, just move it aside so that you can remove this. Allah, okay. Delete this press holder. I just moved it up. Now instead of this, you can write your own text. Just click into it. Ice cream, probably. I'm making this as Allah ice cream, okay. I'm dreaming of Allah ice cream. This is what I want to say, okay. Probably I want to bring this online canopy here down a little bit for perfect alignment. Now here, bring this here. These are, you can ungroup them as well, okay, to fit them properly. Okay, that's it. You can bring it a little bit down. I'm dreaming this object. Choose it and say ungroup it, and then you are ready to go for it. You can choose it and bring it as you like it. I'm dreaming of, yeah, and center would be better. I'm dreaming of Anne. That's right, Anne, because this name is starting with Anne. I'm dreaming of an Allah ice cream. Alright, you can make it bold if you would like to, but this text is already bold. Okay, so that's how our logo is complete. You can just go to download, and there are many more options, but these all are for pro versions. So we will go to download. That's only available for now, and we don't have transparent background and compressed file options because these are all for pro. Wherever you see this crown coming up, those are all paid up pro options. Okay, just click on download, and your design is getting ready, and you see it is downloaded here, your logo. You can just open it. So you can just open your logo which is downloaded, and here it is. See, so easy it is. Thank you so much.